Good morning, everybody, and welcome to On the Open, taking a look at the European markets here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group, securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's take a look at how the action is basically rounding up right now after the markets have been open in Europe. And really right now what all of the European major indices are waiting for are what's going to happen with the ECB. The central bank is basically going to release their policy statement this morning. We have not seen any headlines coming out as of yet. And really, the expectation going into this discussion is going to be, is there any tone change? Are we hearing any hawkishness or dovishness? Right now, there isn't an expectation of any surprises of that nature, but you're going to be paying close attention to what ECB President Draghi says. They could make some movements in the euro, especially now that Prime Minister May had already spoken this week saying they are going to make a hard break. In other words, Brexit, it's going to happen. There's not going to be any wishy-washiness with this. You're hearing the French starting to talk about it. So could the single currency come into question right now? The euro currently right now is up 0.3% at right around 1.0663 against the US dollar. Now taking a look at Germany and seeing the action, it's relatively muted, lower by about 0.1%. You have ThyssenKrupp, nice, and Fransense weighing on the market right now, down about 1.7% and 1.1% respectively. Now you're seeing exporters are having some mixed action, and you're having financials outperforming. So you're seeing names on the exporter side like BMW down 0.5%, Daimler just below flatline. You're seeing Volkswagen adding about 0.1%. Then you have Deutsche Bank and Commerzbank rising 0.7% and 2.2% respectively. So we have some decent move in front of this ECB policy statement. EWG tracks German stocks trading at 27.12 right now. The one-day move is being priced in at right around a little over 20 cents, and the 8-day move is being priced in right around 45 cents. We're going to watch this one very closely. $26 is really going to be a mark that you're going to watch very closely. A break there could put the trend to the upside in question in the German stock market. Now taking a look at the UK FTSE, London trading down about 0.5% right now. Now you have energy-related names like BP and Royal Dutch Shell holding respective losses of 1.1% and 1.9%. Home builders continue to lag, with Barrett Developments, Taylor Wimpey, and Persimmon all down between 1.1% and 1.4%. Pearson has jumped about 2.2%. That's after that 29.1% plunge that we talked about yesterday. Now, EWU is the ETF that tracks UK stocks, trading at $31.26, right around that level. Watch this one closely. The one-day range is right around 20 cents. 17 cents, and the 8-day range is right around 40 cents, 37 cents. Basically $31 is going to be the blood point. You're going to watch that one real quickly. If it breaks 31 on the ETF, you could see that 30.50 is going to be a mark where midterm support will be challenged. Taking a look at France's CAC, right now down about 0.2%. Consumer names are mixed, with Elisor International, Accord, Danone, Carrefour, all down between 0.7% and 2.2%. While Pernod Ricard, Louis Vuitton, and Keurig all up between 0.7% and 1.1%. So you have some mixed action right there. EWQ trading right around that $25 and some change mark. That's the ETF that tracks French stocks. Watch this one. It's going to have a range of right around 15 to 20 cents for the next day, and basically right around 90 cents for the next 29 days. $24.50 is going to be short-term support, and $24 is midterm support as well as long-term support. That's it for right now for Europe. We're going to be waiting for the headlines coming out from the ECB policy statement, which could set the tone coming into the U.S. market opens. which is going to be at 9:30 Eastern time. You can join me on What's Hot on the Open. I'm going to go over everything that's happening in the U.S. markets on that opening bell. So join me then. Take care here at MarketStream.live.